Bro, this view is literally road. And I have been to pools where the view is literally a waterfall, which you can watch over here, of course. And saying all of that, even this view, this pool looks amazing. So let's give waterfall factor. Oh, I liked it though. Let's give 5 out of 5. And jacuzzi hai yaar, kya
So let's make this energetic evening more energetic, because finally here we are calling none other than the beautiful, gorgeous Bollywood diva. Please welcome, repeat with me, Rhea
Good evening, everybody. How is everyone tonight? Excited to win? Ready to play? Nervous? I've been here before. I really like Sri Lanka. I like Colombo. There's lots of great food, lots of nice things to see.
The scene is actually going through. Happy Holi, guys! Happy Holi! Happy Holi to you! Happy Holi to you guys! Happy Holi!
I am water soul in Instagram. Okay. You're a water soul? Yeah, water soul. I am looking like a mermaid. You're actually creating a little blue. Everything is blue.
So, okay, you were covering the whole.
Yeah.
Because I was seeing you yesterday, you were making videos, and you were the only one who was talking. Yesterday, the audience.
I know how much effort it goes.
Yes, yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much for recognizing it. She can understand. एक वीडियो बनाने में कितना टाइम जाता है?
फिर उसके बाद रेडी हो गया कोई क्लैप नहीं करे तो कैसे चलेगा?
She was the only girl who was clapping for me. I was asking audience to please clap, and she was the only one who was. So I appreciate you for that.
Her efforts really needed that effort.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Although I'm looking someone else right now, but it's okay.
We'll put it before and after. I can't. Okay, before starting this video, this is how I am carrying this mic. This is day 2 of our Holi Rangoli event in Valleys, and as you can see, this is my beautiful outfit from Lulu and Sky. And yesterday's outfit is also from Lulu and Sky. I just loved their outfits. Okay. Back to the event. This anchor, Sapna, is the most. I mean, she was the best person I met. So yeah, I loved her. So if you want to follow her, do follow her. And also, You can see that I am a robot. So, okay, battery is down. I need to go to resort. See you back there. We are currently in the Sky Lounge, and yes, this is one of their restaurants, one of the many restaurants that you have in Kingsbury. And पीछे देखो इतना ज़्यादा beautiful climate है, and so it is actually raining currently. And I wanted to show you the view from here, because from here you can see the entire view of Port City, Colombo. Every attraction, that old Parliament building, be it the ceilings, the bridges, the beach, the port, everything. So we'll do that tomorrow in the morning. So we'll get nice bright footage. And now I have ordered this food, and I thought I'll come up and drink and order some cocktails and everything. But today is full moon day, and in Sri Lanka, people they don't serve. It's a custom to not serve or consume alcohol on full moon days. So yeah, this is our last day and we are not having it. So if you come, you plan that way, okay? And then we have to discuss nature as well. Let's eat it and then eat. Spoon? Spoon? Oh, the breeze is so lovely here, and as you can see, it's raining. And what's the best time to speak of nature then? So, yes, we have got so much nature in Sri Lanka. I haven't explored a lot much this time, but I'll definitely visit again here. But Sri Lanka is so beautiful. There is Kandy, there is Jaffna, there is so many places that you have to see in Sri Lanka. You have beautiful, beautiful destinations. So definitely I'm going to give Sri Lanka's tourism, the nature part, a 5 out of 5. So this is Honey Beach Club right in front of your pool, and you know there is also a bar called Tavern, which is like complete beach aesthetics. We'll go there later. But here, if you see, this is like a beach club, and you have pool right there, and you can chill, you can order food, and there is lot of variety. You can see barbecue as well, and this place at night looks phenomenal with all the lights on. So let's see that in night. Wait. What kind of pillar is this? Aquarium? Nice. Okay, now it's time to play in the wind mornings.
The celebrity guest of this evening. इन्हें हमने बहुत बार टीवी स्क्रीन पर देखा है, लेकिन अब फाइनली टाइम आ गया है जब हम उन्हें लाइव यहाँ पर देखें. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on the stage, without taking too much time, none other than the gorgeous girl, Marjorie Mishra.
Bali's. And actually though, today's event I haven't covered because I was chilling in rain. It was raining today, so I missed it completely. And also when I came, they gave me some non-cashable coins. So I thought, okay, let's use them. So they gave me like something. I won. Okay. So it was nice too. I understood. It was like fun. Sometimes you can play, but always be careful. That's how this Bali's Holi Rangoli event ended. Like, we have seen few of the celebrities, so many dances, so much talent. Even like the pole dancers are like so yeah, mind blown. So it was so good. I actually liked the event a lot. So much hangama. I like that what is the anchor, she was very good. So yeah, it was so much fun. If you're in Sri Lanka, you just come and visit once. So yeah, I'll give all the details of the package in the description. And actually we will be leaving tomorrow. I know it's time for me to give you the tour of Kingsbury, but my flight is in just 3 hours. So let's give this tour like Shanmugh Jashwant. This is Kingsbury. This is their fountain. That is Sri Lanka flag.
This is deposit. This is investment.
This is Sky Lounge. This is Tinku. This is Bank of Ceylon. This is Old Parliament Building. This is Kaki eating grass. This is Port City, Colombo. This is the famous bridge. This is the beach. This is Old Colombo Port. This is Colombo Fort Temple. This is closed salon. This is art gallery. This is a chattu in this art gallery. See how she's asking to follow me? Follow Waterson, okay? This is Chamandipur and this is spa. This is gymnasium, that is road facing. This is jacuzzi in a pool. This is live music band. Not live. This is Honey, just like me. This is in-house DJ. He's not in-house. This is Tavern, Sri Lankan authentic cuisine. This is Chepalu in aquarium. No, this is a pillar. This is churros. But this is not India. This is piano. But it's love. This is not piano player. I will have this. My hunger is half filled by looking at the wide spread. This is all, you have South Indian Lankan breakfast as well. You will have all the fruits here. This is your passion fruit. This is like make your own sandwich, whatever filling you want. And this is your English breakfast. We have got our appam. They have live counters for like so many things. Like literally look at that beauty. It's like work of art only that is going to be in my stomach. So I have loved the food all throughout, and let's taste this breakfast spread and give the food rating. Like tasting all of that is going to be like so difficult, but yeah, I will eat this one. Oh, so pretty. I tell you, bring one plate, keep it in your mini fridge. Amazing. Food and amazing variety of food. In Bali's also there's a lot of varieties in vegetarian. So I'm going to give food a 5 on 5. I would give 10 on 5 as well. We have not discussed about final rating yet, because until now, until I landed in Bangalore, the trip cost is entirely like included in the Bali's package. So yeah, both the sides, flight tickets, the accommodation there, the chips that you get there, how much you pay, equivalent of that you get the chips. So all of that is so good. It's like kind of a expensive trip, but you get the chance of winning yours too. So yeah, so that's how. And I enjoyed the entire trip. It was amazing. The food was so good. You liked it, right? So I'm definitely giving the final rating a 5 on 5. I loved this vacation. I hope you also would like to plan to visit Sri Lanka and stay with Bally's or Kingsbury if that's so. And yeah, that's it. And please like, share, subscribe, and let's see if we get how many okay 6969 likes on this vlog. Okay, bye. Too much luggage is there.